Hey everyone, Gilhead Gray Man Prepping. Figured give you guys a little show what's going out in the street here. This started uh, about an hour and a half ago now. It was nice and sunny at 11 o'clock. It was no snow on. I mean, the lawn was almost everything on the lawn here that you can see was totally gone. All the snow had melted. And the road was clear, the driveway across the street was clear, my walkway down below here, the walkway down here was all clear. I mean, yeah. So, anyway, so I thought I'd let you watch a little snowfall here. And this nice spring day of April 5th. Great. As soon as I get the camera going, it stops snowing. Well, it's still snowing, but it's not thick enough where you can see it much. All right. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys later.